If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To create a PDF from a file opened in the Excel, PowerPoint, or Word from Microsoft 365 desktop apps, and then start a shared review of the PDF file with other users using Acrobat, click the Create PDF and Share Link button in the Review and Comment button group on the Acrobat tab of the ribbon in Excel, PowerPoint, or Word. If using Excel, this launches the PDF Maker dialog box where you choose the content of the worksheet to convert to PDF and then click the Convert to PDF button. Then, for all applications, Acrobat converts the file to PDF, saves it to your Adobe Cloud storage, creates a sharing link to the file, and enables commenting for shared users in the file. You can then work with the file in Acrobat as you would a native shared PDF file. To invite other users to share the file and comment via email or one of the available sharing apps, open the shared file if needed, and then click the Share button in the top bar. Then select the app to use to share the link. Copy the link directly to manually share it via copy-paste, or enter email addresses and then click the Invite button that appears to invite other users to comment on the shared file. We'll examine sharing in detail in the Sharing and Collaborating chapter later in this tutorial. To stop sharing the file with everyone later, or stop sharing the file and also delete it, close the file. Then click the Home button in the title bar to return to the Home view if needed. Then click to select the file in the list of recent files in the Home view to show a list of file actions in a pane at the right side of the Home view. To stop sharing the file with others, click the Unshare File link in this pane, and then click the Unshare button in the confirmation dialog box that opens to finish. The file still exists in your Adobe Cloud storage, but it is no longer shared with others. Alternatively, to stop sharing and also delete the file, instead click the Delete link in the pane, and then click the Delete Anyway button in the confirmation prompt to finish. This stops sharing and also deletes the file from your cloud storage. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.